Welcome to YouTube World, May.
Yes! This is Hiroshima Castle, guys. Akit kami later, pero gagawa muna kami ng transition namin. So, we're gonna surprise you with something I've never seen before. It's so high. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Today is our last day here in Toyosu. And gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung breakfast. Wow. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Ilagyan niya ako ng ID para sa breakfast. Ayan. May soup. Sobrang dami. May cereals ba? Charot. Cereals yung hinahanap. So, isang ano yan. Ganyan. Isang paganon. Paikot. Puro food. Good morning, Marvin Samako.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, just got fed.
Good morning.
Good morning, Archie. Good morning, JM. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, me. Good morning, Jax. Good morning, Chuck and Joe.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, May. Good morning. We're on our way to ride a train going to Shinkansen, going to Hiroshima. So today is officially our day 2 of Creatorverse 2025. Nasa bus kami at Pinoy Pride. Unang-una kami dito. Hindi kami late. Diba, Ivan?
Hi.
Walang malilate. Walang malilate.
Welcome to YouTube World, May.
Yes! Para ma-inspire tayo sa mga YouTubers na nandito.
Ay, ito po, mga bihasa sa YouTube talaga.
Ito mga to. Yan. Bagong-bago sa YouTube, si Just Got Fed.
Bago. Sinabi ko sa kanya, pinag-uusapan natin siya.
Oo. Si Senzon's nasa harap ko. At si Chuck and Joe.
Hello.
Yes. Si JM nasa likod ko. Good morning. We're here at Tokyo Station. We're about to ride Shinkansen. This is the kaguluhan of the morning. Hello, groupmates! Yay! Hello! Ang dami namin, ang init! We're about to ride the Shinkansen. Nakakatuwa kasi exclusive yung Shinkansen carriage namin for Klook only. Kaya may special lane for today. Yan. So we're here now on the track. Ayan na yung Shinkansen. The bullet trains are waiting for us. We're riding Nozomi 309, 818. So we're just waiting for, anong oras na ba? For 8 minutes para makapasok kami. This is the Shinkansen. It's the fastest bullet train here in Japan. Parang plane ticket ang price nito. Kasi we're going to Hiroshima. Parang dulo siya. So Tokyo kami, Hiroshima is like 2 hours away from Tokyo via Nozomi. Nozomi is the parang type of train. Kasi maraming type of Shinkansen. Tapos Nozomi yata is non-stop. So diretso siya sa Hiroshima. Pasok na kami! Oh my God! Yung luggage ko!
Kaya.
Kakayanin. O Kokoy, may film ka na sa akin. So we are now here inside Shinkansen with Kokoy.
Independent girl.
Yeah, nakaya namin. Seatmates kami ni Kokoy. Tapos ang seat namin ay 6A and B. So malaki to eh. Mahaba siya.
Like, binok nila yung dalawang carriage.
Yeah.
Ano lang.
For Klook creators only, my goodness, ang saya.
Solo namin ang
Solo
buong
namin.
Shinkansen.
Kasi alam niyo ba ang Shinkansen, itong mga seats na to, naiikot to eh.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, naiikot yan. Pero hindi ko alam kung ito yung depende sa seat. Yeah.
Yung buong laga.
Oh, pwede kang magkaharap, pwede kang magkatalikod, magklingi ka, ganyan. So, this is bound for Hiroshima. Shin Osaka. Ay, Shin Osaka muna, tapos Hiroshima. Okay. Jerry, did all the clock made it?
Yeah.
Yeah, congrats!
We made it.
Ayan, Kokoy. 2 hours biyahe, di ba? Oo. Gumagalaw na kami.
Try again.
Si, sabi sa inyo umiikot eh. Kilo na siya eh. Say hi. Hi. Welcome to Shinkansen.
Hey everybody, welcome to a Club Shinkansen.
Yay!
All made it alive here, guys.
Yeah.
Let's take a breather for 1 minute and be like, wow, guys, we all made it. 100 plus of us on the same Shinkansen train.
Yeah.
All made it like 10 seconds before the train left.
Yeah.
So good job.
Yeah. Good
So I'm
job.
proud of all of you for making it today.
Dumating na ang aming ayuda. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano to. And then, Ilden ba? Creme brulee. Tingnan niyo yung food ko. It's an eel. Pwede kumain dito sa Shinkansen. So, ang gusto nila, kumain kami ng kumain. Alam niyo kung bakit sila nakaganyan. Kasi yung Mount Fuji nandyan sa side na yan.
So tip, kapag sa Shinkansen,
Sen, laging
dapat
right
nasa
side. Yes, that's right. Okay guys, nasa train pa lang kami, pwede na kami mag-haul.
Para tayong nag-trick or treat.
Kaya nga eh, ang dami na namin nakuha today. So may food kami. Ang laki! Ito yung favorite ni Charlie na kinakain niya.
Ito ba yung puff?
Yeah, ito yun. Yung mushroom chocolates, yan. Ayan yung malaki. So may binigyan kami dito, tapos may yung isa pang klase, this one. Sarap to eh. So mga pamaypay ito. Tsaka ano yung isa? Towel ulit. Sponsored by JR JCB. Shinkansen. Ayan. And then, meron pa kaming creme brulee dito. Na maliit. Tapos meron pa kaming milk protein. Pwede na nga kami mag-haul dito. Meron pa po bang bibigay? May bago kaming Howry. I got the blue one. Tapos si Kokoy red siya. And then, ano pa ba? Ito, toalya. Yung nasa likod mo, Kokoy, baka malimutan. Ayan. So, itong toalya ulit na to, sponsored by JCB and More Japan, na may nakalagay na cloak sa ilalim. Yan.
Sponsors.
Daming sponsors. Thank you, sponsors. All expense paid trip. Nasa Pampanga na pala tayo. Kainit natin itong creme brulee. Something. Crisp and melty burnt bananas. Tokyo banana.
Tokyo banana.
Tokyo banana shaped chocolate tart. Gusto ko lang naman pakita to. Tokyo banana shaped. Parang kidney. Oo, parang kidney. Nasaan banana? May caramel. Sarap. Sarap na may caramel. Kasi guys, be careful. Yung Eki Bento box namin, may steamer pala. Kasi malamig yung kanin. Tapos yung pala merong hila-hila ba, no? Para uminit yung kanin. Kaya pala malamig yung kanakain namin. Hindi kami nagbabasa. Ay, uminit. Ah, umiinit. Ang galing. Ang galing naman ng bento na to. Ay, umusok.
Suka talaga.
It's amazing. Pwede pala uminit yung pagkain namin kaso naubos ko na ito. Ayan na.
Alam ko malamig lang yung pagkain kasi
nga.
nagagawa hindi kinain.
Nasa Nagoya na kami. Or, ano ba?
Doon banda.
Basta. Grabe si Kluk, oh. Nagsakay ng TV sa Shinkansen para lang mapresentahan kami. Galing. Umalis na kami ng Shinkansen. This is the action for today. Waiting for the next train to Hiroshima. We just arrived in Hiroshima via Shinkansen. Good to be back. Isa lang ang lift dito sa Hiroshima Station. Buhati na lang daw yung luggage. I cannot. It's a floor full of okonomiyaki restaurants. Ano pa yung sinasabi ni Just? Ano pa yung sinasabi ni Just?
Mananalo kami. Yun yung feel. Mananalo na kami.
Hindi. Feeling ko hindi. Feeling ko kami mananalo.
Parang sure kami.
Parang sure din ako. Sanay na sila. This is how you make Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki.
I'm hungry right now.
Yeah, it's really good. Alam ko may octopus pa yun. Ewan ko lang kung lalagyan. Finish! Yay! Thank you! So walang octopus tong part na to. Wag kayong pupunta dito ng
Come on, let's do this.
summer.
Sorry, I'm bringing that vlog.
That's okay, say
I apologize.
hi. That's okay.
To all the Filipino audience out there.
Follow them.
Yes, follow
What's
us,
your
Jay and
channel?
Carolina. We have a full series on the Philippines.
Really? Oh, yeah. Grabe ang init. Sasama ko kay JEF. Kasi naiwan namin yung payong namin sa maleta. Ang galing-galing namin. Alam na nga namin may amazing race today.
Tapos tanghaling tapat
Tapos tanghaling tapat.
yung araw. Tapat na tapat.
Tapat na tapat. Tignan niyo sila, oh. Diba may payong? I like Polly. She's prepared. We're going to Hiroshima Castle. Ito yung hindi ko napuntahan last year.
Guys, are we gonna win this challenge?
Yeah, we are! We actually have a challenge today and it's called Amazing Race. And I'm walking and we have to make a reel today with all the places that we will go to. I think we will win today.
We will.
What's
What's the prize, Jenny? What's the prize?
One long form creator and many short form creators.
Yes.
Yes. So what's the prize? So we have more energy.
What's the prize?
Yeah.
Are you gonna reveal it? The prize
Is it gonna be a trip to Europe?
The prize is a
Sleep over with me.
Sleep over with Jenny. Oh, that's good enough.
the prize is the crew credit around 1 million.
Oh, I love that.
1 million what?
Yeah.
So
Look at those trees. This is Hiroshima Castle, guys. Akit kami later, pero gagawa muna kami ng transition namin. Hiroshima Castle. China daw sila, China. Papasok na kami ng castle. Ito ang hanapin nyo pag nasa summer kayo ng Japan. Nasa loob na kami ng Hiroshima Castle at umaakyat kami. Walang elevator. Stairs lang talaga. The sword is here. Kasi nga Amazing Race, may pinapahanap sa amin. Ayan. Diyan mismo sumabog. So ang nag-survive yung A-bomb dome, yun yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. Yan ang umpisa. Maganda eh. August 6, 1945.
ay, ayun na.
Yan o. Kaya matagal hindi napuntahan to kasi may radiation.
Tapos yung mga tao dito,
May mga, oo. Tapos yung mga buntis.
Yung anak nila.
Yung mga anak nila may diferensya. May
Defects.
Oo, may defect. Yun na yun.
So fast forward today, safe na.
Safe na, oo. We are back here in Atomic Bomb Dome. Imagine mo, after the war, yan na lang natira sa dome. We are in Orizuru Tower. Ticket costs 2,200 yen. So it's a new observation deck here in Hiroshima. So bunigyan kami ng paggawa ng paper crane later. Akala po natin malamig. Pero wow! Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Look at that! View of Hiroshima. Wow! Ay, mahangin. Buti na lang. Ganda, guys. Makikita mo dito yung Hiroshima Castle. Makikita mo yung Peace Park. Ganda. Ayan yung Atomic Dome. So this is under the rooftop. Merong mga slides, merong mga wall art, merong mga digital something. Pwede kang gumawa ng paper crane here. Tuturuan ka naman paano. Tapos pwedeng magsayaw like that. Tapos may view. Rooftop bar din siya. Tapos pwede kang umupo. Tapos pwede kang gumawa ng paper crane digitally. Ginawa mo?
Ayun, nagtatry pa kami kung sino yung pinakamabili. Kaso 39 yung to beat.
Ang cute sumayaw! Hey guys, we just arrived here in our third hotel on this trip. This is Hilton Hiroshima. So kanina, just to recap, pagising namin from Tokyo, 8 a.m. meron na kaming Shinkansen train going to Shin Osaka, and then another Shinkansen train from Shin Osaka to Hiroshima. And then diretso na kami sa tour namin kanina. So we were able to go to Hiroshima Castle via bus instead na maglakad kami. And then after Hiroshima Castle, we went to Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Nakaka-devastate talaga pagka nandun ka. Maiiyak ka talaga pagka naglibot ka dun sa museum na yun. And then after that, we went to Onizuru Observation Deck. It's a new tourist spot in Hiroshima wherein you will see the whole Hiroshima. Like yung landmarks, like yung Peace Memorial Park, yung Atomic Bomb Dome, yung Statue of Prayer, yun. So yun yung mga pinuntahan natin. Papakita ko na lang din dito sa vlog. Actually, we went there na last 2024 October. Pero hindi ko pa siya na reels kasi natambakan na ako ng Hong Kong. So, nag-focus din tayo doon. So, bala ko rin siyang balikan ulit para mapakita ko din sa inyo through my IG Reels and TikTok. Yun yung mga pinuntahan namin kanina. Sobrang pagod. Like, literally, ang sakit ng tuhod ko ngayon, tsaka ng likod ko. Kasi, nagbuhat kami ng mga luggage namin. Syempre, nag-2 trains kami. Well, hindi mo nagbuhat, nagtulak, pero mabigat. Tapos, syempre, nag-film ka, nag-video ka, ng reels, pang YouTube, ganyan. So, hindi talaga madali ang buhay ng isang content creator. Pero, we love to do it. We love to do our jobs because we want to share it with all of you so that when it's your turn to travel, medyo may idea na kayo, diba? So, yun. At the same time, kanina, kaya siya mas nakakapagod. Technically, hindi naman talaga siya dapat nakakapagod kasi nakabus naman kami. Hindi naman maglalakad ng sobrang layo. Nakakapagod siya because ang init. As in, ang init. Like, alam mo yung parang pawis na pawis. Hindi ako pawisin na, pero pawis na pawis talaga ako kanina. So, yun yung nakaka-drain ng energy, yung init talaga. So, yun. Pero, thank you, Lord, for letting us experience all of these things for free because of the Clue Creator verse. So, yun. And then, to cap off the night, nag-buffet dinner kami sa isang hotel which I forgot the name. Hindi ko na vinlog kasi sobrang pagod. Yun. Tapos, magkakasama kami sa table ng buong Team Philippines. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung nasan yung picture namin. Kay Archie yata yung picture namin. So, yun. Ngayon, dito na kami sa third hotel namin. And I want to share it with you na raw as raw as possible because nagamit ko na. Nag-shoot ako kanina for reels, pero hindi na ako nakapag ng maayos pa siya. So ngayon, magulong-magulo siya. So as you can see, na nga ako, ano man tawag dito? Yokata ba yan? So para tipid tayo sa damit, ito na lang ang pantulog natin at mag-isa lang naman tayo dito sa napakalaking room dito sa Hiroshima Hilton. Papakita ko na sa inyo. Upon entering the door, you will be welcomed with this parang Japanese style of cabinet and all. So dito yung mga luggage ko. Natanggal ko na rin tong maliit sa malaki. And then, nag-try na ako mag-unpack kanina. And then on your left, which may door naman talaga to, pwede mo siyang isarang ganyan. So, buksan mo siya. Andito yung Japanese toilet with bidet, of course, kasi Japanese toilet yan. Meron din sarahan ng pinto yan for privacy. And then, ito na yung sink. Meron na siyang hand wash and body lotion. Oh my God, mag-lotion pala ako. Tapos, meron ditong mini magnifying glass and mirror. Tapos, may baso dyan. Tapos, toiletries ko na yan. Tapos, towels. Merong weighing scale sa ilalim. Tapos, ito, nag-bathtub na rin ako kanina. Naligo na ako. Meron naman din siyang body wash, shampoo, conditioner, hot and cold shower. Mainit din yung sa bathtub kanina. So, naglublob ako kasi sobrang pagod. Meron ding mga toiletries dito like toothbrush, toothpaste, shower cap, etc. May hair dryer. Ito yung lagayan ng luggage. Tapos may mga drawers dyan. Tapos, magulo na siya, syempre. Tapos, ito na yung cabinet. Sasabit ko dyan yung damit ko tomorrow and yung costume. So, magpa-plancha rin ako kasi may buti, may plancha, may safe, may hotel slippers, which I'm already using. May flashlight din. Tapos, ito na yung coffee and tea area. Walang tubig na libre. Ewan ko baka may dispenser. Pero, meron namang mga basong ganito. Pang-inom. So, ito pa. Yan. Pang-kape. Dito ko na lang din nilagay yung pang-charge ko kasi magulo talaga kasi alam mo yung parang wala ka ng time, ito yung TV, na parang pagod ka na mag-i-edit ka pa mamaya and all. Di naman na tayo nagko-complain pero I just want all my things to be there. Like itong parang mini dining table nila. Nilagay ko na lang dyan lahat ng gamit na gagamitin ko kasi ayoko na rin ma-stress. Ito yung damit ko tomorrow. So that's from GU and then ito, binigyan kami ng another Haori. So nung day 1, naka-orange Haori kami. Ngayon, blue or red. Pinili ko yung blue kasi ayoko ng red dahil alam niyo na. Charot. Tapos, andito lang yung isang bed. Queen bed din to. 2 queen beds siya. So, syempre mag-isa lang ako dito. So, may alarm clock din dito. Tapos, merong charging port to MagSafe to eh. Yan. Wireless charging. Tapos, pwede mong i-maneuver tong ilaw. So, pwede mong pa-dim siya. Tapos, may USB and USB-C charger. Tapos, ito yung kabilang side. And then, that's my travel altar. If you wanna buy this, we have Facebook page, My Travel Altar. So, dala-dala ko yung lagi. Ay, naka-side view si Jesus. Kasi nahulog kanina. Nag-blower ako. Basically, ito na yung itsura ng room ko. So, yun lang. Basically, kakaligo ko lang. I'm about to prepare for bed. Pero before that, I'll try to edit muna. At least makapost naman ako ng reel tonight. Kasi, alam mo yun, ayoko rin matambakan. Tapos, syempre, diba, this is technically work trip. We got this incentive for free, but also, meron kaming mga kailangan i-feature. Since this was sponsored by a lot of brands. So, yun, I'm very grateful to Klook. Thank you so much. Kasi napakabait talaga ng Klook. Wala akong masabi. They're very generous. When you really do hard work, they will really, alam mo, pay it off, alam mo yun, by pampering you with this kind of treatment. And never in my life I would imagine na magkakaroon ako ng ganitong opportunity. And I always pray to the Lord to guide me and keep me grounded. Syempre nasa akin na rin yun, no? So if you feel like ako, andun ako sa space na baka lumalaki yung ulo ko, pero alam ko malayo pa naman yun at di naman yun mangyayari kasi I have you guys na will call me out, and I have my husband, my parents, my family, my true friends who can tell me ano yung mga tama't mali. Pero I really pray, syempre, diba? Lalo na ngayon yung mga issue ng mga lavish lifestyle. Ay, hindi naman ako lavish kasi una sa lahat, yung pambili ko ng bag na mahal, wala naman akong pambili, no? Hindi ko pa afford yun. At the same time, ibibigay ko na lang yun sa, sa sinusuportahan natin. At the same time, diba? Bilhin na lang tayo ng investment na magagamit ng maraming taon. So, yun. So, good night na. Tomorrow is our day 3. Tomorrow is our creative Creator Summit. So you'll be hearing from speakers, updates for Klook, ganyan, from Klook. Tapos mga siguro recognition din. And then awards night sa gabi. So doon ako excited at kinakabahan kasi I don't know how to pull off my makeup and my hair with the costume. Hindi ako sanay mag-costume ng extravagant. Pero nagpatulong tayo sa isang stylist. Pero mura lang yun. Kaya kinakabahan talaga ako. So please pray for me na yung dalawang nominations ko, kahit isa lang dun manalo tayo. Pero kung hindi man, I'm still grateful because it's still a blessing and a privilege to be here. And yun, sobrang grateful. Thank you sa inyong suporta. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for commenting and thank you for everything. Dahil sa inyo kung bakit ako nandito. Yun lang, good night. Bye! Good morning, everyone. So, today's our day 3 of Creatorverse. Dito kami sa Hilton Hiroshima. Nagbe-breakfast kami ngayon. Breakfast buffet ang meron dito sa Hilton. Mukha namang masarap yung pero hindi pa ako titingnan ako ni Ivan. Nahihiya tuloy ako. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast kasi kakainom ko lang ng omeprazole. So, second day ko na uminom. Dahil nga, di ba, sumakit siyan ko noong isang gabi. So, sabi ko, dapat tuloy-tuloy yung pag-inom ko ng omeprazole. Kaya yan. Hintay lang ako ng mga 10 minutes para makakain ako. Kinuha ko lang konti lang kasi alam niyo naman, di naman ako nagbe-breakfast. Gusto ko lang may laman yung tiyan ko ngayon since mahaba ang araw namin. Today is Summit Day and Creator Awards night tonight. So, ito yung pagkain ko. Yun lang. Croissant, egg, bacon, potato balls, and miso soup para mainitan yung tiyan ko. Ayan sila, Ivan. Ayun o. Chuck and Joe and JM. Ito sila, Senzons and Marvin. Tsaka si Coles nandun. Ayan. Mukha ng pagkain nila. Marami pang food na sa kabilang area. Dito lang yung konti. Thank you. Okay ka na. Uminom ka na muna. So, here we are at second floor of Hilton Hiroshima. You will be welcomed with ang gandang design. Nakalagay dito. May backdrop dito. Travel is social. And then, Creatorverse. Picture tayong lahat. Indonesia team. So, ang daming pakulo dito. May mga ganyan. Kanina nag-stamp na kami using our magazine or yearbook. Cute, cute nung stamp talaga. Tingnan nyo. Tapos merong ano to, ultimate taste test. When lacquerware meets latte. Tapos merong mga calligraphy here. Can I do it? Ah! Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll try it. Oh my gosh. Fukuyama. Hindi na tayo nag-vlog for today.
Pinaghandaan ni Coco yung ano niya.
Yung outfit niya.
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Ano to? Video ba to?
Video.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, come. Thank you.
I think we'll just keep it still frame.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'll just
You can see how content creators are doing their own thing, their different things, and yeah, it's a lot of work. It's not just about the beautiful pictures. Right, Carolina?
Yes, right.
Right.
Spending so much time. Look at this design.
Yeah. Yeah. So hi to my
Behind the
baby vlog. Behind the scenes. This is Carolina. You can follow them on YouTube. They're pros already.
Here pop up on the channel.
Yeah. Say your vlog. The name of your vlog.
Jay and Carolina.
Jay and Carolina. Yes. They travel a lot. They're from Europe. Yes. Oh, see, teamwork dito. This is teamwork. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog kanina. Buong araw kami nandito sa Fukuyama. It's currently 4:21 p.m. So, yung unang punta namin kanina, I think it's an hour away from Hiroshima. An hour and a half via bus. First stop namin was the Fukuyama Castle. Bawal mag-video doon. Pero maganda yung castle, hindi ko na na-video kasi sobrang init. Sobrang init. Nakakainit ang init. And then we went to lunch. Sarap ng resto. And then after that, we went to Zen Garden. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng Zen Garden. As in, mafe-feel mo yung Zen. Nakatulog na nga kami dun sa aircon area nila dun. Pero hindi ako masyado nag-stay sa garden kasi sobrang init. Tapos, natakot ako sa kagat kasi kinagat ako ng mga niknik yata or lamok yata dun sa Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. And then here we are in... Saan ba ito? Ano pangalan nito? Para siyang bahay. Tapos ito yung overlooking. Yeah. Walk, walk, walk. Walk.
Portrait ka ba yan?
Naka-portrait lang.
Which land?
You know, let's
This is Universal Studios Japan. View from our room. So makikita may roller coaster doon. Yan. Behind that building. So, good morning everyone. Today is day 7 na yata, shocks. Oo, bukas uwi na kami.
Day 7 of our Japan trip and obviously wala na akong boses. And I haven't been updating for 2 days or like at least a day kasi I was really being present in the moment and hindi madali mag-isa mag-film and basta ang hirap, sorry. So the other day, fill-in ko lang kayo. We were in Fukuyama na explore namin yung city na yun na an hour away from Hiroshima. Still part of Hiroshima daw sila. And then we went to the Fuyokame Castle, tapos yung scenic view doon. Papakita ko na lang din sa kung ano yung kaya kong ipakita. And then, the next day, which is yesterday, we went to Universal Studios Japan. So, around mga 10 a.m. na kami nakapasok ng, 10:30 na kami nakapasok ng park. And then, diretso na kami dun sa mga importanteng deliverables namin for Universal Studios Japan. So, we were really blessed to be given express passes para hindi na kami pumila ng sobrang tagal. Although, the pila is not that bad kasi mga 30 minutes to 60 minutes lang naman. Yung pinakamahabang nakita ko na pila is yung Donkey Kong, which is the newest ride na halos a month. Kailan ba yun lumabas? Parang this year lang lumabas yung Donkey Kong na yun. So, I'll be sharing more of that through my reels. Pero, what I would say is, you really don't want to go here on a summer. Like, etong August to first 2 weeks of September kasi sobrang init talaga siya. Like, akala mo may lagnat yung Japan. Kaya, ewan ko, grabe, nakakapagod yung init, nakaka-drain siya. So, every after ride, punta kami sa shop, magpapalamig kami, tapos papahinga kami, tapos rides ulit. Alam mo yun, sobrang nakaka-drain yung init niya. If you will come here, hindi maiwasan kasi mura talaga yung ticket kapag summer. And then, prepare yourself to hydrate and all, wear lightest clothes, dala ka ng mga cooling towels, cooling wipes, ganyan. Meron namang only refilling sa park kasi marami namang drinking fountains. So, yun, sobrang saya lang kahapon kasi mahilig ako sa theme park. So, yung mga castle tsaka temples, medyo hindi ako masyadong, mahilig. Pero, okay na rin. Nice to know. But I'm really a fan of theme park. So, first time ko makasama yung mga content creator friends namin. Tapos sumakay kami ng mga rides. Like, the most extreme ride was the Flying Dinosaur. So, yun talaga yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. Kasi grabe yung thrill nun. Tapos yung Donkey Kong na ride, oh my God, highlight ko yun. You really don't wanna miss that. Hindi kami masyado pwede mag-film sa mga loob ng mga rides. Hindi katulad sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Kasi mapipreempt yung experience. So, I really want you to go there and experience it yourself. Kasi ang ganda. Ang galing. So, today, we're going to explore Osaka. We will be having the Have Fun Kansai Pass. So, nasa loob kami ng bus. Tapos, iikot kami sa buong Osaka. So, itatry natin i-vlog yun today pag hindi ako nairita sa init. So, yun lang. By the way, this is our room. This is my room pala. Ang laki ng room ko, 2 beds. For single and for double bed. Pero technically, kasya 2 dyan. Maluwag. Mayroong area, coffee and tea, may safe, may ref dyan. Tapos ito yung TV, malaki, nakalagay dyan. Oriental Hotel, Universal City. May kita mo rin dyan yung temperature for the day. Tapos yung banyo, ito na siya. Syempre, Japanese toilet. Tapos mayroong bathtub. Ayan. Yan, simple lang yung room ko. Pero, ang lapit sa Universal, like, baba mo Universal Studios na. Huwag na nating ayusin yan. Dahil kagabi, nandito lahat sila. So, yung mga content creator friends natin, nag-bonding kami kagabi. Dito sila sa room. So, hindi ko na binother na ayusin yan. Kasi yan naman talagang totoong nangyayari, diba? Tuwing nagta-travel ka. So, yun lang. See you guys later. See you guys later. Mag-breakfast na kami. Bye! We are here in Santa Maria Bay Cruise. We're gonna ride the cruise today. I remember I rode the cruise going to Europe years ago. That was 2016. Ay, sarap ang lamig. Kasi sobrang init. Buti na lang mahangin. Say hi!
Where?
Oh my gosh, alam niyo, I love May so much.
I love you so much.
I love you too!
Sobra si Maine.
Oh, thank you guys.
Such a beautiful singer.
Oh.
You video
Yes, yes. Oo, siya talaga ang totoong kumanta niya.
Yes!
And ano pa nga daw yun? It's not her best, diba?
Yeah, it's on my best.
Lalaban pa po.
Amen.
Celebrity cruises. Yung nasakyan namin before was Royal Caribbean Ovation of the Seas. So it's really nice. Ito pa pala yung sasakyan namin. Yes. Akala namin yon. Dito pala.
Parang ano siya, yung mga nasa cartoon na cruise.
Oo.
Ang pirata. Di ba?
Ang pirata.
Wala, hindi ako nag-research niya. Ilang minutes to? Hindi ko lang.
Okay, so malalaman natin ngayon. Dahil di namin ni-research. Nasa ilalim kami ng cruise. Marvin, sama ko.
Sama ka?
Sama
Sama ko.
Yee! Hospital in the house. So, we're gonna surprise you with something I've never seen before. We're gonna watch them, sumo wrestlers! Oh my God! Excited na ako. So, kakain kami habang nanonood ng sumo wrestling. Childhood, guys. Souvenirs. I'm hungry. 3.5. 3.5 siya. I'm hungry. Magkano yung 3.5? 1.3. Cute oh! Bilhin mo na, Ivan. Bilhin mo.
Gusto mo ba?
Para sa'yo.
At ang mahal o tutu.
Tuto ba yan?
Tutu para sa ganito, ang tutu ay mahal-mahal. Si Marcos na lang.
Wow! Exclusive sumo show for Klookers. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Nanay.
Welcome creators to the Sumo Hall, Hirakuza, Osaka. Kayo din mag-hi dito.
Wait.
Binigay ko yung number ko kung na-check yun.
For? Sa ano? Hindi nila alam ko na yun.
Parang sabi niya, thank you.
Ito yung pwesto namin. Manonood kami ng sumo wrestling. Bawal yata mag-video eh. So,
Pwede mag-video. Bawal lang may flash.
bawal na may flash. Okay. Bawal may flash according to Just Got Fed.
Hello?
Coles Vidal, Marvin Samao,
May gigil.
and JM Bangkito. Asa si May? Coles Vidal? Coles Vidal?
Kahit daw sa taas yun.
Alright, so everybody, thank you so much for coming today. Everybody, are you having fun for the snow tonight? Are you ready for Japanese culture tonight?
Yeah!
It's okay to make some noise, scream, shout, cheer, sing, make all of your sound, make all of your energy from your body. Alright, are you guys, are you ready to have fun for the snow show? Alright, so now please welcome for the sumo wrestlers with a big applause. Please welcome, he is Monty! Yeah, Monty, he is a really famous wrestler. Yes, he is so strong. He's so known as his amazing speed and technique. Alright, Joe, he's our newest member in here, and his mother is from Philippines. He's South Filipino. Welcome! He is really famous in Japan. He appeared in a Netflix sumo drama. Give a big hand to today's superstars! Alright, now, let's see their sumo training. Let's move on to next.
Chico. Chico is just stamping.
So this is a very basic sumo training. Oh, they're saying something. Let's hear it. Yoisho is Japanese cheering chanting. Let's say Yoisho. Together, let's say Yoisho. Everybody, 3, 2, 1, say Yoisho. Oh, they train like a giant centipede. Let's say Ichini. Not too Japanese. Say Ichini. Ichini. See one more time. So they put their hands and rub together and clap it. And they open to show I don't have any weapons in my hand. But the legs that. Are you okay?
Oshidashi is a front push.
So, when the rooster got pushed by the others and get outside, it will be loose.
The Watanage is an overarm throw.
So, they start at the lines, and it's okay to grab opponent's belt, that's okay. And when the wrestler got thrown by the others, it will be loose. Kinjite, what's kinjite? Oh, there's some illegal actions. Fouls in sumo. Oh, orange belt Joe and blue belt Toma, they're gonna start too close. Too close. Yeah, that's too close. Yeah, you have to start at that line. No grabbing hair! No grabbing hair! Oh, no throwing hair! No throwing! Toma, what are you doing? Yeah, Toma! Yeah, you can't do that. No throwing hair! Yeah, you can throw the hair. Recycle. Yay! Recycle, okay. Oh, yeah, that's a swap. So, Toma, price that? No punching in sumo! No punching! Oh, open hand is slapping. Yeah, open hand is slapping. That is... Oh, that's okay. He's No, I'm poking. Here comes the referee. Oh, look at it.
Furry.
Attitude. All right, first match. Please welcome forward Waka and Toma. It's time to hear your energy with the big screaming together. Or let's cheer for them. All right, pink belt is Waka. Everyone, let me hear screaming to Waka. All right, blue belt is Toma. Let me hear screaming to Toma. All right, Waka versus Toma. Different types of power will be crushed in the first match. Let's go! Waka, Toma, let's go! Let's go, Waka! Toma! Let's go, Waka! Toma! Waka! Toma! Waka! Toma! Let's go, Waka! Toma! Waka! Toma, let's go! Come on, Waka! Toma, push each other! Let's go! Oh, Waka's gonna push out Toma! Alright, so this is the final round. Yes, two of them are so famous for strongest power techniques. So they battle each other. Alright, so they did the Shiko movement. They have to do it as a manner of rule for the sumo. So that Shiko stomping has a meaning to train your lower body and to purify the evil stuff with the impact of their stomping. And this is the Shirichozu movement that they're gonna do. It has a meaning to purify themselves. And it's kind of like same gesture when Japanese people visit the shrine and purify themselves before they pray at the shrine. Oh, let's go! Waka! And Matsu, let's go! You're screaming! Oh, they're going to try to push and crush each other! Oh, they're all... Oh, let's go! Waka! Let's go!
So guys, we are here now going to Haruka 300. That's their observatory deck here in Osaka. Oy, I can spot GU there. Ayan ang mga content creators na group namin. Kita niyo yung araw na yan? Diyos ko, ang inat! Na kami sa Haruka's 300 building going up to the 16th floor. We are now here in Haruka's Observatory. This is just the 16th floor. Outside area siya. Nasa loob lang ako kasi sobrang init talaga. Pwede ka umupo dyan. I think free naman yata tong part na to. Pero ito yung entrance talaga, going up. So, pwedeng bumili dyan ng ticket or it's best if you avail the ticket on Klook, yung Have Fun Kansai Pass. Kasama siya. So, mas okay yun kasi mas makakatipid kayo doon. Tapos pwede nyo pang gamitin yung mga discount codes namin. Open until 10 p.m. So, 9 to 10 p.m. siya. Yan. Ito talaga yung pinaka-entrance sa observatory deck. Yun yung may bayad. This is the entrance, official entrance. So I guess the price is 2,000 yen, 18 and above, 1,200, 12 to 17 years old, 6 to 11 is 700 yen. Tapos 4 below is 500 yen. Mura lang. Tapos makikita mo na yung buong Osaka. This is our ticket. Going there, upstairs to the 60th floor. Yay, may aircon daw sa loob.
May aircon.
Because aircon is life here.
Yes, sir.
Tumaba na ako sa Japan.
Wala na masabi.
Wala na masabi. Hi na
So
lang,
guys, may aircon daw sa loob since first time natin. How have you been here guys before?
Not yet. This is my first time.
You've been here?
Ako first timer.
I haven't been also. So we're so
Where are
excited.
you going here in
Oh
Japan?
my God, my hair! Charot. English only policy.
Yeah, if no English, one picture and write. That's the fee. That's the fee.
Yan na, pasok na kami sa elevator. Yay! Elevator. Okay.
Grabe yung cooperation namin sa The Sensons.
Grabe, may photographer talaga kami. Palagi. Lagi kami may photographer dito. It's so nice. Please allow me to squeeze.
Yes.
Of course, the beautiful Mint. Say hi. This is Mint from Thailand. Super beautiful as always.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful mane, too.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look.
Ganda.
Ganda. Look.
It's super
Yan sa taas.
super shining, shimmering. Oh, anong tama? Dazzling.
Dazzling or dizzying.
Ano tama? Main.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, will you answer your heart desire?
Main up.
Ito na tayo, guys, sa Haruka's. Haruka, say hi, man.
Hi.
Man from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes. It's so high. Oh my gosh. Ay, grabe. Ang taas. Look how crowded Osaka is. Wala ka nang ma-appreciate. Joke lang. Ma-appreciate mo lahat kasi kahit na ganyan karami. Dito kami naglakad. Ayun yung bus namin. Ayun. Ayun yung bus namin. Ayan. Diyan kami naglakad kanina sa initan. Haruka's with Gundam World. So, 360 degrees siya. Ayan. Pwede kang mag-relax dyan. With a view. Ganda rin. Ganda rin pala dito. Pwede ka rin mag-ano sa baba. May activity area. Gundam kasi yung exhibit today. Ayan, may steam din sa baba. Sunset, it is at 6:24 p.m. And then this is the Gundams.
Ayun, paano nila nilalagay? Dinidikit?
Oh, dinidikit lang nila. Photo spot. This is a photo spot. Siyempre, bibilid mo yan. At least aircon dito, guys. Pero ang init pa din kasi yung glass, syempre, tumatagos. Oh, this is a nice, perspective. Wow. Yung may highway nila, oh. Ayan yung highway. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Japan. Okay, so this is the outro of the vlog. Obviously, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung last day. Ang dami kong parts sa Japan trip na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Una, yung awards night, hindi ko na na-vlog yun. Pero na-video ko yung iba using my phone. Pero I don't think ilalagay ko to dito sa vlog na to kasi marami nang nakapost na vlogs ngayon like kay Marvin, kay Ivan, kay JM nung awards night, pati kay The Senzon. So, panoorin nyo na lang yun. Pero I would like to congratulate again my friends, The Senzons, Jax, si Marvin, si Jen, si Alves, Kokoy, of course, kasi nanalo siya na best dress. So, sila yung mga nanalo sa Team Philippines. Sobrang proud, as in, grabe, ang galing-galing talaga. Deserve na deserve ang pagkapanalo. So, yun yung mga nanalo ng Creator Awards. I was just really in the moment. Yung sobrang saya ko lang nung time na yun. Kaya sabi ko, sige, hindi muna ako mag-vlog ngayon kasi total, di naman ako like super vlogger, you know. Nagsisimula pa lang naman tayo. After nun, di ko na rin na-vlog yung Universal Studios Osaka namin sa Japan. Kasi meron kaming mga deliverables doon. Tapos, meron kami kailangan i-shoot. So, gusto ko lang mapakita na sana sa inyo yung Donkey Kong ride. Pero bawal kasi ang camera sa loob ng mga rides. So, pinagbabawal talaga nila. As in, like, they're very strict. Unlike sa Hong Kong Disneyland that you can use your camera during the rides. Talagang dito, bawal talaga sa Universal. So, hindi nyo talaga magagamit. Kaya, panoorin nyo na lang sa reels ko yung 3 main reasons ko why you should visit Universal Studios Japan this 2025. Kasi nga, may bagong ride, which is yung Minecart Madness. Oh my God, sobrang ganda nung ride na yun. Very unpredictable. Panalo talaga, as in. Siguro yan yung top 1 ko sa Universal. Tapos may bago rin na Villain Con sa Minion Park. Kakabukas lang nun last month. So, kaya kailangan ma-experience nyo rin yun. Tapos, yung last day ko sa Japan is September 3. 3 lang kami actually yung uuwi. So, si Cols, pabalik na siya ng Siargao. Ako, pabalik na ng Pilipinas. Si Archie, papunta naman siya ng Korea. Pero hindi kami pare-parehas ng flight. So, ako, 3 p.m. yung flight ko. Bale, first time ko rin makasakay ng JR Haruka. Sobrang saya kasi Hello Kitty themed yung train. So, mapapakita ko yan sa reels ko. Hindi ko na rin siya na-vlog kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Ang hirap din kasi pag dalawa-dalawing hawak mo. Kasi mag-isa lang ako, so nagna-navigate ako mag-isa. First timer pa ako, kaya hindi ko na talaga kaya na ang dami ko pang iniisip. So, nung time na yun, sabi ko, sige, kung ano lang yung kaya ko, which is yung Flip 7 ko na Samsung. Ito kasi, itong Samsung na Flip 7 ko. Ang maganda dito, kaya ko mag-vlog or kaya ko mag-video na nakikita ko yung sarili ko kasi nga, yung camera nandito sa labas. So, kaya ito lang yung kaya kong ilabas nung time na yun kasi nga may luggage pa ako. 2 yung pieces of luggage ko, tapos may backpack pa ako, tapos may hawak akong phone, tapos nag-Google Maps din ako along the way. So, parang mahirap talaga. Hindi pa ako sanay, in short. So, yun. Ang ganda na experience kasi from our hotel sa Oriental Hotel, Universal City, yun yung hotel na malapit sa USJ. Yung train doon, katabi lang din halos ng hotel. Tapos, diretso na yun sa Osaka Station. And then, from Osaka Station, sumakay na ako ng JR Haruka Line. It took around 30 minutes to go to the airport. Madali lang naman yung check-in, yung process. It only took me like 10 minutes to check-in. Pero mabilis lang yung check-in nun. Tapos, yun, naghintay na lang ako. Chumil na lang ako dun sa malapit sa gate namin. Tapos kumain ako ng katsudon. Ang galing kasi alam nyo yung Philippine Airlines, diba? The reason why naging 8 o'clock yung flight from 3 p.m. was yung airplane na sasakyan namin nagkaroon ng problema sa pressure yata. So, inayos pa nila. So, at least, diba, hindi ako nakasakay doon kundi delikado. So, thank you Lord na naprotektahan tayo. So, yun. Binigyan kami ng 3,000 yen na food and drink voucher that we can use sa loob ng airport. So, nakalibre pa ako ng pagkain. Hindi ko pa nga nagamit yung 1,500 na voucher pero hindi na siya available lang siya or pwede mo lang siya gamitin within the day. Tapos, tumambay na ako malapit sa gate tapos nag-work na lang ako tapos nagdrama-drama ako dun kasi nga last day na. Tapos, parang nasipangs ako dun sa mga Creatorverse friends kasi parang iba yung bond na buo namin sa trip na to. It was a 7-day trip. Unlike yung Singapore na first time na magkakilala nung Singapore last year. 4 days lang yun. Sobrang bilis. Ito 7 days. Tapos syempre may mga heart-to-heart talks, may mga inuman, sayawan, kantahan tuwing gabi. So parang nakilala talaga namin yung isa't isa kahit papano nung trip na yun. Kaya talagang yung first few days after the trip, we were super sepangs, hangover. Nag-iiyakan kami sa chat. Tapos ako, nag-send ako ng mga love letters sa kanila through Telegram. Kasi nga gusto ko silang pasalamatan personally isa-isa. Kasi ako, emotional ako in a way because una sa lahat, parang I still feel insecure up to now because they are big content creators already. They have made their names na they're self-made na rin. Tapos kilala sila sa YouTube. Nakakatuwa nakakatuwa nga kasi nung naglalakad kami sa Osaka, sa Bay Dotonbori, ang daming mga nakakapansin sa mga kasama ko, like si Ivan JM, The Senzons. Talagang yung isang follower nila, parang sabi nila, bingwit na nila lahat ng favorite content creators sila, nakita nila in one frame. Nakakatuwa na kasama mo sila, and then they're very humble, sobrang nagmamalditahan kami sa isa't isa, sobrang totoo, kaya talagang sobrang grateful ako na nakilala ko talaga sila. Isa rin na memorable na experience ko dun sa Creatorverse na to yung in-invite ko sila sa room ko. In-invite ko sila sa room 1104. Sabi ko magchismisan kami or chikahan kami after namin mag Universal Studios. Yun yata yung Universal Studios day namin. Tapos it was one of the best nights I experienced during the Creatorverse kasi nakilala ko sila beyond the camera. Lalo na andun sa room na yun si Archie, Chuck and Joe, Ivan, JM, Calls, The Senzon, si Alves, nandun sila. So parang ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na si Marvin nandun din pala na alam mo yun, kahit na inaasar nila ako na ako yung nag-invite sa room, wala akong pagkain, pero at least iba, ang saya lang, walang alak nun, pero ang saya lang nung usapan, very personal. Tapos we were talking about our struggles, we were talking about our strategies and all, yung personal lives namin. Ang ganda no experience na yun. Something that I will really baon for the rest of my life. And siguro, coming to the end of this vlog, I really hope and pray na next year magkakasama ulit kami sa Creatorverse or makasama kami. Yun lang naman ang dasal namin. Kasi yung Creatorverse naman na yan, hindi kami yung nagdidikta. Ang kulok kasi nagdidikta niyan kung makakasama ka, kung pasok ka dun sa tier na yun, kung nakapasok ka sa top and all, or may na-contribute ka sa kluk, mga ganyan. Hindi ko rin alam actually kung paano nila pinipili yun. Pero one thing is for sure, we will work harder para makasama ulit sa next Creatorverse. So yun, I'm so grateful to all of you, even if I'm just new here on YouTube. You are the reason why I went to Creatorverse. Kayo ang nagdala sa akin dun. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo sa patuloy na pagsuporta, patuloy na pag-like, subscribe, and comment. Kahit konti pa lang kayo dito sa YouTube. Or kung nagfa-follow ka na sa akin sa TikTok, sa Instagram, or sa Facebook, maraming salamat kasi dahil sa'yo, napunta ako sa Creatorverse at na-experience ko yung ganitong opportunity. Ang dami ko natutunan sa mga favorite nyong content creators at sobrang na-humble ako sa natutunan ko. Kahit na feeling ko, isa ako sa mga pinakamatanda sa kanila. Pero alam nyo yung parang ako yung pinaka-baby sa experience. Sobrang grateful talaga. And yung nomination ko, kahit di ako nanalo, walang problema yun. Mapunta ka lang sa Creatorverse, it's still a win. So I hope na mabigyan ko pa kayo ng value more and I promise to really do my best to vlog. Next vlog na natin will be in Hong Kong. So see you guys! Bye! Thank you for watching! Mwah.